Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy 24 Ties. Happy New Year, y'all. This is my first video in 2022. So today, yes, I do got my microwave gun. You know, rats. So you all had a great Christmas. Today, we're gonna be doing a little detail on my microwave there. Stupid fucking light. So after when we're done making the popcorn, we're gonna do a little detail on the microwave. You know, I got it back. And she kind of a little crusty in there. After we're done making the popcorn. First of all, I need to change these pants. I do not like these pants. So, pause. But I got my pants changed finally. I do not like these ones. And they're mine. But, you know. So, popcorn is done. So, like I mean by detailing it, it's looking a little. The plate's looking a little crusty in there. First, we gotta do the safety precautions. Yes, don't mind my microwave sitting up on a chair. Don't mind my microwave sitting up on the chair. That's the only place I could set it, really. Actually, my antenna's plugged in, so I got a cleaning. We got a cleaning supply, quote unquote. So we got this all-purpose cleaner. I don't know how much I have left of it, but I hope y'all had a great New Year. This is my first video in 2022, and there will be a diss track coming. There'll be a diss track coming on Thursday. See what up after the vlog. So I have that little light there, right? So it's popcorn. It's very tasty. So as you can see, it's looking a little crusty. So we got a towel somehow. So let's spread on this. So I put the towels absolutely somewhere. So I'm all home alone today, you know. So I can do what the fuck I want. This is not cuss in the video. Because some people don't like it. So think. Oh, right here. So I don't know what to set the camera up at. Probably put it at an angle. So you know, I'll just set you guys up on my Switch thing. So Jesus Christ, my Switch controller. Good thing I have my switch batteries charged. So, looking a little crusty over there. My microwave hasn't been cleaned in a while. Actually, I don't know if I can use this soap. Honestly. Because I have, I got the spray thing on dish soap. So, like, yeah. I have no idea what the fuck's up with my TV. No idea what the fuck's up with it. Plus, I want to get the video done before I have to go back to school tomorrow. Yes. I do have to go back to school tomorrow. Which is fucking stupid. The teachers went back today. They worked today, so the students come back tomorrow. So, by the time you'll be seeing this video, I'll be back in school. Just depends how my internet does, actually. So let's head upstairs. Let's see what other cleaning supplies we got up there. What's up, Sam? So, in the back of my phone case, I got a $25 GameStop gift card. Shout out to my grandma for it. $25. And yes, I'll be doing a GameStop haul very soon. When I get, yes, I'll be doing a GameStop haul very, very soon. As soon as I can get to GameStop. Soon when I can get a ride to GameStop, then I'll be doing a GameStop haul very, very soon for y'all. So, what kind of crap we got up here? Disinfectant spray. We can try it. I don't think this one more thing. It's like the cleaning supply closet or whatever you wanna fucking call it. What's this? Sure, this will work. I don't know what the fuck this shit's called. But, you know? So, I can record the video up to 26 minutes and 42 seconds. So I can record the video up to 26 minutes and 42 seconds. I suppose I have a limit on it, I guess, so, you know. I don't know what the hell this shit is, I just found it. So you always want to unplug your microwave, because you always want to unplug your microwave, because, you don't want to get you don't want it to get ruined when it's unplugged. You know, like you don't want to ruin it.
This home is so big that you're looking at federal rates.
So like, yeah. And after when you're done cleaning it, you wanna leave it unplugged for a while and let the stuff dry. And you don't want to be being wet when you put it back inside. I think this is my second video cleaning my microwave. I'm not 100% sure. So, nice and clean. So, let's take a look on the inside of my microwave. Oh, it's crusty in there. There's like a popcorn seed in there and shit. You know, spray it all down. I don't know what the fuck this shit's gone anyway. That's totally awesome. At least seen on TV. I don't know what the fuck it's called. I seen on TV. I can get the door too. Very crusty, musty now. You know? Oh, this thing can actually come out too. I never actually knew that about my microwave. I'll put the bottom. What do you think, gangsters? Okay. So, I got all the supplies that I need down here. My mini fridge and my microwave. Crap, I'm taking shit when I move out, too. If I even still have it. Spray the top, too. fucking popcorn in here. How the fuck did popcorn get in here? Yeah? Be right back, gangsters. I'm back, gangsters, so let's get the back working. Fucking stupid. Well, look at that, gangsters. I did it. So, gangsters, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I got a date with some Kit Kat ice cream over there. And I'll see y'all gangsters tomorrow after school. So, your boy 24 Tyrese out. Roll the outro. Peace, gangsters. Sheesh!